Hey guys, we're gonna make a graham ball with Mama. Before I make the graham ball, I'm gonna wash my hands first.
Yes. Yes, we need to wash. First is we use that graham, crushed graham. You put it in the empty bowl.
It's like a powder.
Yeah, it's a crushed graham.
You're gonna put it all?
Yes, put it all. Wow, that's so many. Yes. And then we use the all-purpose cream. Next is all-purpose cream.
Where is it?
Yes, it's here, the all-purpose cream.
Let me.
Yeah. Yes. So, ready.
It's like a milk.
Yeah. And then blend it together, mix it together. Yeah, we need to put the condensed milk after. Yes, that's fine. Mix it with your spatula.
Baby spatula.
Yes, baby spatula because it was a baby. So we have this chocolate chips for the coated and marshmallow for the filling and
Sprinkles.
candy crinkles for the coated. And then you make a graham ball now. You need to scoop. Oh, that's fine.
Dirty.
You may rub it, turning it to bowl.
Alright.
Yes. Oh, a little bit. Add more. Just only put it in the filling first, in the inside. Yes, and coated it with the graham bowl. Yes, and then you dip it in the chocolate chips or the candy crinkles. What do you want? Wow, yay! So nice! Wow, too much chocolate.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
We put it here. Okay.
put some big.
Yep, just like that. Like what you did. You have 2 down.
2 down.
Yes.
I'm gonna make a circle.
Yeah. Make a circle
Oh,
around. Yeah. And then put the marshmallow filling on it. And then you dip on the candy crinkles and the chocolate chips. Whether you like it. Yeah, you're gonna pick. You're gonna choose. But you need to put a filling of marshmallow on it. So make it so yummy. Yes. And turn it to a bowl. Oh, it's okay? Are you happy with that? What you're doing?
Yeah, I need. Yes.
Oh, you want it in a crinkly crinkles. Oh, and then put it in your graham cup here.
Cup.
Yep. Oh no, yes.
I like a cup.
Yes, it's okay. Okay. And then put a marshmallow filling on it. And then, yes. What do you think of the food that you're doing? Do you think it's really taste good?
Yeah.
Wow. So we're gonna taste it after that, okay? You're gonna try it, taste it.
Chocolate chips.
Chicken chips.
Chips.
Oh.
Chocolate
Make the chocolate chip stick on the graham ball.
Yes, stick it.
Yes, and then you put it in there. Oh, see, it's falling down.
Wow.
Wow, Yok knows how to make a graham ball.
Momo Sachin.
So you're so...
Yes.
Yes. Wow, Yok, you're a little chef. You want to be a little chef? Oh, you're so happy with that. Wow. Oh, and
There's a
then...
marshmallow inside.
Yeah, there's a marshmallow
Oh
inside
yeah,
also.
I forget.
You forget it. And then...
Sprinkle.
Almost, yes. So good, so cool. I think it's tastes good because it made of Yok.
We're gonna taste it too.
Yes,
Fast.
we need to freeze it first.
Yeah.
Why are you eating while you're just cooking? You're like... You're eating.
You circle it.
Yeah, and put a marshmallow filling on it because its taste, marshmallow is a good taste.
Little hole.
Ah, yes.
Big hole.
Mm-hmm.
And it's now dirty.
Yes.
And some chocolate chip.
Yes.
Like magnetic.
It's like magnetic, yes. Are you happy? Are you enjoying what you're doing?
Yeah.
You like to cook?
Yeah, I want to cook. Last time I cooked the hot cake.
Wow. Yeah.
One cake pala.
Oh, see? A little bit, put a little bit of Graham so that I couldn't see the marshmallow.
There.
Yeah, I saw it. So put a little bit of Graham.
There.
Yeah, there.
No more.
Oh, you're totally good on Little Chef. Oh,
Like 4 chocolate, 3 chocolate chips and
Yeah.
3 sprinkles.
yeah, 3. But if you put it all, it's gonna turn to 4 candy crinkle Graham and 4 chocolate chips
Yeah.
Graham.
Well,
So, sorry guys for the shape of the Graham balls because this Little Chef is the one who make all of that round Graham ball.
Wow.
See, there's a small, there's a big, but it's okay. Alright? And so on after
Yeah.
that, guys. So that's the easy way to make Graham. And it's
what
also
color is with a pink?
I think pink because Mama's pink.
This is pink.
Yeah. And also this is a good banding for your children or for your kids to have this Graham ball. It's easy. Right, Yok?
Yeah. Little chef.
Yes, your Little Chef Yoki is making.
And everyone kid.
Yes. Little Chef Yoki making what? What are you making?
I'm making a Graham ball.
Yes, you're making Graham
It's
ball.
like magnetic.
Yes, guys.
It's like magnetic.
So we're gonna taste it after.
Putting it there.
Yes, we're gonna put it in the ref.
Freezer.
No, it's got freezer. It's only a chiller. So we're gonna put it in a chiller for at least 30 minutes and we're gonna taste it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you I made it up the Graham ball. Sorry out there. This is a big one. This is a small one. This is a big one. This is a big one. This is a big one. This is a small one. This is a big one. This is a big one.
But it's okay. At least it came from you, yeah?
30 minutes we're gonna eat it.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye for now, but we're gonna make sure that you're gonna taste it, right? We're gonna show to them that you're gonna taste it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Alright.
I'm gonna wash my hands. After 30 minutes, we're gonna try the Graham ball. Which is 30 minutes is long, right?
Yeah, we stay it in the ref for 30 minutes and we need to try it on, alright? Yok will try it on if what is the taste of his Graham ball.
First here.
Yeah.
First,
You just bring that breast one.
steak cupcake.
Yeah. Taste it. Bite. Yeah.
Yummy.
So yummy.
This one.
Mm.
This one.
Can I taste it?
Yeah. Yummy.
It's so yummy, guys.
Tell the kids so it will make that one so they can make yummy.
How about the chocolate chips? Try it on.
Try.
Mm.
This is yours.
Yeah.
Yummy!
Yummy. So guys, so yummy.
This is super one yummy. This is 1,000 million yummy.
Yummy.
Bye. This one, Mama.
All right, thank you, my love.
Taste that one already.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it.
Not that one.
This one, the chocolate chip. Because Yok wants me to taste his finished product of his Graham. So it's a lot of chocolate chips coated.
Hey,
Mmm.
I put that.
It's so yummy. It's just like that. We're just eating a little bits of crunchiness. And because of the chocolate chips. Okay? Bye guys. Bye.